Hi everyone, it's Kyle with Rangeland RV, and behind me here is a brand new 2019 Rockwood Minilite 2512S. This is a brand new floor plan to the Minilite series. It checks off so many boxes. It's a couple's floor plan, rear kitchen, tons of storage in the bedroom, in the kitchen, slide out dinette. It's just an ultimate showstopper here, this floor plan. I'm gonna take some time to go around some features on the outside, some inside construction, all that kind of good stuff. Starting out, this one is only 25 feet 11 inches total length. So it's a really nice half-ton towable, small couples coach trailer that's going to get you out camping without having a big 35-foot travel trailer behind there. The holding tanks on this one, this year Rockwood went up to a full 58-gallon freshwater holding tank, which is absolutely massive for this kind of trailer. You have 60 gallons in your your gray water tanks. So you have two tanks, one in your washroom and one in your rear kitchen. And then you have a 30-gallon black water tank. So really nice tank sizes to get off the beaten path for a longer period. Starting on the outside here, Rock comes standard with Rockwood is going to be your torsion flex axle. So each wheel, instead of your leaf spring axle system where the axle moves together, each wheel is independent. So it's going to be a smoother tow, less road shock. It's going to increase the life of your trailer down the road so everything's not shaking around every time you're traveling down the road with it. So this one too, the way we ordered in, we usually like to order them similar, but check our website out for exact what we have in stock, different fit and finish exactly. But this one comes with the outside barbecue. So you're all set up to grill and your cooktop or your countertop there if you want to add condiments or anything there, you have that capability. Rockwood always does the biggest size awnings that they can put on their travel trailer. This is a massive awning covering most of the length of the trailer. You're going to have a great outdoor camping area because that's where you want to spend most of your time anyways, is being outside here. Something new to this floor plan, which is great, is they actually drop down the storage to give you a large pass-through storage, because outside storage is very important in a travel trailer as well too. So if you check this out, you have a massive pass-through area storage. You could even put a mattress down there and have an extra sleeping area. Lots of room to put all your goodies. You're never going to have to run out of storage with this floor plan. Something that comes on all the Rockwood lineups this year is going to be the new Wi-Fi Ranger Sky 4. It's a Wi-Fi booster, and it has LTE capability. What that means is it can bring in a signal and boost it within your trailer, or if you get a SIM card, you can plug that in and have your own private signal in there, which is a great feature to have if you're looking to work, get online, or have internet access while you're out on the road camping. Rockwood standard outside TV bracket if you want to bring your TV out here. And then you have your power and cable outlets there as well. Coming to the front entrance here, or the rear entrance, the Minilite series went to this new MORride step this year, and they didn't just put the regular fold down step, they took it up another level and they added an air shock. So they're like a zero gravity step. So if you're concerned about bringing the big step in and out, it falling on you, or just the ease of make camping easier, that's what Rockwood's about. So it just flips up. Shut the door, you're good to travel. You don't have those steps hanging down, the old black ones that fold out, get rusted over time. What's also great, that just pops down. When you're getting in and out of the trailer too, it's not rocking. It's nice and sturdy. It's just really good overall experience. You got that large oversized grab handle when you're getting in and out of the trailer. A little bit about the construction of the Rockwood. They do a 6-sided aluminum frame. So a double welded frame. Every side of the trailer is aluminum framed in there. Vacuum bonded fiberglass sidewalls, roof, slide walls, everything except for your floor is going to have that feature. The vacuum bond fiberglass is a superior way to build a wall. So they stack the fiberglass on the block foam styrofoam walls, put them in a big bag, suck out all the air so it's in a controlled environment, and that glue has a better adhesive process to the wall in that kind of vacuum chamber bond. But yeah, we're going to jump inside here, check out some features of this great new floor plan. This is an absolute amazing layout. It's very functional. Some of the main things that you'll never trade a trailer in for is going to be counter space and storage. We already knocked off the outside storage already off the checklist. Now coming into the inside, you have an absolute massive rear kitchen. If you want to swing around back here. The rear kitchen back here, you have tons of counter space. And they maximize that counter space by doing the undermount sink, stainless steel double bowls, as well as having a flush stovetop cover, which is really nice. They went to this brand new Suburban 22-inch oven. You're going to find that in your fifth wheels as well. So you're getting a large size oven in a small size trailer. If you don't want to use the oven, it just turns into a bread box as well too, which a lot of people use. But you have tons of storage on this back wall. All the cabinetry is real wood core with a finish on top. Wooden screwed, so it's not particle or press board. Full size drawers, full extension. And you also have a little pantry on the side here with removable shelves. So if you want to use this as a front closet for coats and stuff, you can take these shelves out and it's a full hanging closet. And over here is your full size pantry. So those longer stays, loaded up with food. I always say if you're going out trailer shopping, bring a full box of cereal with you and go in the trailers and find a spot to put that full box of cereal. This is massive amount of storage there. It's going to be tough to fill that out for just your weekend camping, so you have that option for extended stays. The way we ordered this one in is with the dinette. There's a couple options, so please check our website out. You can get the theater seating in here as well, but we just got the dinette for that eating area back there. You have your slide out, fridge panels as well too. We order them in with the raised fridge panels, which is a nice little touch there. Something they were able to do to the new Rockwood lineups is put in a low profile electric fireplace, which is really nice. If we'll swing around there. The low profile means you can put it on a thin wall and you don't have to hide it behind the back wall. That's going to be electric heat source, so it's going to be if cool mornings you can turn that on, give off a little bit of heat as well too. If you are getting into the bit of extended season camping, you do have 12 volts on your fully enclosed underbelly. 12 volts are on your holding tanks, so turn those on. It's going to keep them nice and warm. And then you have radiant ducting in there as well too for a little bit of extended season camping in there. Comes with ACs ducted throughout the ceiling, which is going to be your vacuum bonded ceiling as well too. You pound on these walls on all the Rockwoods, they're going to be super solid. You have a dual channel AC, so not just a single one. And little things like you can open and close, just some styrofoam there, open and close, rotate all the vents, which is a really nice feature, so they're not always blowing if you want, say, a little bit warmer in the bedroom there as well. So follow me, we'll go up into check out the bathroom on our way up there. Bathroom, super nice layout. I'll hop in here. So you have a nice corner shower with the new Aquamizer water saving system. We do a separate video on this because it can go into a little bit of detail. If you want to check it out, we'll put a link in the description there. But pretty much it's going to increase your water capacity about around 40% by not wasting water when you're trying to get it up to temperature. You have a nice linen closet back here. Again, extra storage. Put some towels in there, anything extra that you want in there. Lots of room to sit down on the toilet. You're not feeling tight in here. Medicine cabinet and below sink storage. Nice big countertop. And instead of building out, they built up to give you double countertop storage. Rockwood's mini lights all have switches as well. So you're not having to go around and press all the lights individually. They all are on wall switches, which is a really nice feature. Come on in the bedroom, we'll check this out in here. New, only one other Minilite floor plan is going to give you a wardrobe slide. So in most of your floor plans, you're going to find the two hanging wardrobes with the overtop storage in the main bedroom area for storage, which still gives you tons of storage, but Rockwood went another level with this floor plan. And this right here is actually a wardrobe slide. So that's going to slide out. It's out right now. It's a nice deep full-size closet in there for all your clothes and all that stuff like that in there. They have a nice upgraded Serta mattress, and it's heated too. So extended season camping, you're getting cold, plug your mattress in. It has 5 different settings you can set it to. All our families that have used it come back and say it's absolutely too hot, we need to turn it down. So you're going to stay nice and toasty with this bed as well too. Pop this up. You have 3 more drawers under there, and you can see more of Rockwood's aluminum framing on all their beds, all their dinette structures, which is really nice quality. You won't have the bed sagging over time. Another thing I didn't talk about on the outside is your front windshield. So it's an automotive grade windshield, which is really nice. It's going to bring in a lot of natural light, or you have your pull down blinds to knock it out. But it's automotive, so if you're driving down the road and say for whatever reason, if you did get a small rock chip, you can get that filled just like anywhere else, your normal windshield. And then here at Rangeland RV, we do have some extra protectives, 3Ms we can put on there to make sure that covers your windshield and your front cap for life. That's a little glimpse of the 2512 Rockwood Minilite, the brand new floor plan. Absolutely loaded with features. It's a really nice layout. If you have any more questions or want to see more pictures, check our website out, Rangeland RV. My name is Kyle. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and happy camping.